The following table of values represents a line. Let's find the missing value here. We have 2 points, -2, 3 and 2, 15. We can find the slope because of rise over run. 15 minus 3 over 2 minus -2. And 2 negatives become a positive. So the slope is 12 over 4, which is 3. Now we use the slope point form. We substitute m equals 3, and we'll use the first point, -2, 3. The x1, 2 negatives become a positive, and the y is a 3. We use distribution, 3x plus 6, plus another 3 is 9, and we now substitute the x value of 5 into this line equation. 3 times 5 is 15, 15 plus 9 is 24. So the mystery number is 24.